Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Carnitine injections. First, gather all your supplies, including the L-Carnitine vial, a sterile syringe, and alcohol wipes. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to ensure cleanliness. Finally, choose a suitable injection site, like your abdomen or thigh, and clean the area well with an alcohol wipe, letting it air dry completely. Now, let's prepare the medication. First, clean the rubber stopper of your L-Carnitine vial with a new alcohol wipe. Then, draw air into your syringe equal to the dose you need. Insert the needle into the vial, push the air in, and then turn the vial upside down. Carefully pull back the plunger to draw the precise amount of L-Carnitine into the syringe, ensuring no large air bubbles remain. It's time for the injection. Gently pinch about 1 inch of skin at your chosen, cleaned site. With a quick, confident motion, insert the needle straight in at a 90-degree angle. Slowly and steadily push the plunger down until all the L-Carnitine is injected. Once complete, smoothly pull the needle out and release the pinched skin. Remember to stay calm throughout the process. After the injection, gently press a clean cotton ball or gauze over the site for a few moments. Avoid rubbing to prevent bruising. It's crucial to immediately dispose of the used needle and syringe in a designated sharps container to ensure safety. Finally, store any remaining L-Carnitine medication properly, following the specific instructions provided with your product to maintain its effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.